Okay, my name is Rajendra Lokhande. Last 4 to 5 years, I was having difficulty in breathing. I could not sleep peacefully because of my breathing issues. I had a deviated septum, at the same time a sinus problem. I had come to Dr. Vikas Agrawal. He operated on me. Uh, the nose, some part of the nose was removed, and even the sinuses was taken care. I've been breathing very peacefully. I'm breathing like I have never breathed before. And I'm sleeping very wonderfully, like a baby. Just 4 days before I had done the surgery, and I'm feeling like I'm newly born. Thanks a lot to Dr. Vikas Agrawal, and I pray that God bless him. Thank you.